Okay, tell us about those.
There's six reflectors up here that all reflect where the sun is all day long. Reflect the sun's position in the sky to reflect off of this sun so it stays lit during the daylight.
Cool.
Don't you think Pluto should be in the picture? Well, what do you think, folks? Shouldn't Pluto be?
Here you can see that all being folded right there. Flat, folded.
Wow.
There's the golden zephyr. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye-bye. Not like I have it down or anything. See ya.
Let's do it. Ciao, Jeff.
Sorry. Yeah, at least, what, 3 days?
Yeah, exactly. Oh, wow, very cool. Dun 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 dun. There's no one. Dun 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 dun.
Yeah, in the main park, the floats go from the back of the park to the front of the park. They can be stored and then they can return. At this park, they come in one side, go out the other, and then go around and do it again. They only go one direction.
9, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I know how to count. Great train. Please wait till the train comes to a fully complete stop. Have a great day here in Paradise Pier.
I'm the local. First ride, Sean Flaharty, California Scream.
Alright folks, train will be leaving in just a sec.
August 9th,
Looks like
2001.
Enjoy the ride.
Is that what the date is?
I think so. Here you go.
Uh-oh, we got no music. Oh, son of a bitch. This sucks. Not gonna make a whole lot of difference.
Oh, do we get a rewrite?
Oh, we can always make us think about it. Brakes release. Now. 4, 3, 2, 1. Like this on a lift hill with chain.
That's a lens.
Yeah, but it would have the sound. It sound like chains were going up right now. Hold on, this thing pushes like hell, man. A real 5G loop. Oh, yeah.
Friction brakes too.
They had, like I said, they had problems with these things overheating when they ran 6 trains. I think they were at it before the park opened. I have seen this thing e-stop with 6 trains running many times.
Screamer.
We got ripped off. We didn't get no music.
Oh.
Still waiting.
Your hands, arms, and legs
You okay right there?
are
Totally cool.
secure all loose items. Arms, feet, and legs.
Did you guys feel your back somehow? Oh my god! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
All right, cool. Thank you.
Did you feel the sunburn on your back?
So fun.
Oh, it's blast.
Courtney, did you feel the sunburn on your back?
Scream shields. There's Craig. You got some before.
That's not the first time. Yes. Whatever pays money.
What are we in line for?
Superstar Limo. Try that one more time.
You're standing in line for something you don't like.
I never said I don't like it. Never said I don't like it.
Oh, okay. I thought you never did liked it.
I hate it. Remember, at Rodeo Sheep, Rodeo is not. Because you think they're worth it.
Mr. Studios for Villa Pitch.
I'm definitely not worth it.
And your ego.
What's your Mommy?
All right, it's $1 million.
Bigger than Madonna. Bigger than Leonardo. Well, maybe not that big. But you know what I'm saying. Yes.
He makes jewelry. They're fake, but you can fool everyone
Joan
with yours.
Rivers, live from Los Angeles International Airport.
Is that just chance?
Oh, wait a minute. The next penny, 38 cents.
Oh, we get a front. Cool.
Me?
Kelly, did the ride was made for him?
It was made for
The newest star.
He's from Ohio. He's never ridden it before, so we have to show it to him.
Yeah, this is the best ride in Hollywood.
Hey, it's Pinocchio!
Hey, aren't you Hollywood's newest superstar? Please be sure to keep your arms, legs, and egos inside the limo at all times.
Yes! Video. Phone's ringing.
There's a collect call for you. It's your new agent. Swifty here, babe. Welcome to Hollywood.
looking sensational as
We're
always.
driving under the LA airport.
Listen, I'll have your
This is what it
contract
looks like
for you
down
at
in
the
Pearl
premiere,
Harbor.
okay?
Does it really?
Just get to the Chinese theater pronto, you hear me? Everybody's waiting, capiche? Now don't be late, babe.
Don't worry, we'll get you there in time. Our first stop is glamorous Rodeo Drive. There's Regis Philbin, and that's my final answer. If it isn't vivacious Melanie Griffith and dashing Antonio Banderas. And there's Hollywood beauty Cindy Crawford.
Bye-bye. What do you got for bye?
The world famous
That's
Sunset
Jillian Barber.
Strip.
Who's that?
Hold your sides, everyone. It's
Tim Allen.
funny man Tim Allen.
Jackie Chan.
Can I have your autograph?
I love you.
Jackie Chan. Care to rumble?
Hey, phone.
Hey, where are you? I repeat, don't be late. Kiss, kiss.
Welcome to Bel Air,
Drew
where the
Carey.
streets are paved with royalties and hype.
Okay, right there, boy. This is private
How
drive.
about a map to your house, Drew Carey?
There you go.
Indoors are soda.
Sell our sneakers. Just sign here.
Pool party, hold your breath now.
Come on, be Swifty's favorite star, okay? And get here now.
Malibu, where the beautiful people become even more beautiful.
Agents, execs, producers beyond. Give us a sign. The green light is on.
Why, the always entertaining Cher. Tattoos are all the rage. Shall I ink you in for one?
Look up and say cheese. Show us your pearly white. Smile to the camera. 1, 2,
Everywhere you turn, there are Hollywood studios.
You're perfect for my script.
You'll laugh. You'll cry.
Every word says you.
Well, this is it, the premiere of your very own movie. Hollywood favorite, Whoopi Goldberg.
It's Hollywood's newest sensation. You know what that means, don't you, baby? You've arrived.
As they say in this town, looks like you are Big Boffo. And don't
There's the
let it go to
Hollywood
your
sign.
head. Now there's a familiar face, slowing down from that billboard.
Congratulations, kid. They love your movie. You are a superstar. It's big time. Bafo, I see your name in lights. I love you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Hollywood's newest sensation.
Oh, you look good on camera. Now that's what I call a
That's it.
superstar. Let me grab some popcorn, because I know I'll be seeing a lot of you in the movies.
Here she comes, dude.
On back, start. Step down to your right.
I'm sorry about that. You ever done this before? No. Are you afraid of it? You sure?
First time, so maybe a little bit suspense.
Okay. Yeah, look how big it is. Let me look through the center.
Oh, wow.
It's different.
Oh
Yes.
yeah, it will, and I can assure you it's different. I've only ridden one other one, it's only 100 foot tall.
How come they have no seat belts?
Don't need them. The fireworks show. Could be a shooting star.
Uh-oh.
You may not be high enough to see
Whoa! Wow!
It's good.
That's a weird feeling. That's a very unnatural feeling.
You think?
That feels even different than the one in
Yeah.
Brooklyn. It does.
But see, it doesn't bother. This one doesn't bother me. It is kind of odd seeing the rails right next to the door there, though.
Yeah.
It's like, wait a minute, what's holding us up? Rock-a-bye, baby, in the barf bag.
Must be loading some more.
Yeah. Yeah, we still got a ways to go up before we go out. Okay, ready to go. good view of screaming too.
Oh wow.
So here comes the train. Another one just went through the loop coming down, it's going around the lower level, hit money house.